So in this video, I'll share a simple way or one-line code to activate any sheet. So this is sheet 1 and this is activated. If I click sheet 2, this is activated. If I click sheet 3, this sheet is activated. How to perform or how to achieve this using simple VBA code, one-line code. So simply write, go to developer tab, Visual Basic, and start writing sub. You can name it anyway, anything. Activate sheet. Just write worksheet and write the name of sheet you want to activate. Like I want to activate sheet 1, as currently sheet 1 is activated. And simply dot activate. Just run the code. See, now sheet 1 is activated. After activating any sheet, you can perform any action. Like first I again activate sheet 2 and write something in range A1. Dot value equals to namaste. So using this code, first we will activate sheet 2 and then we will write namaste. Just write this code. See, sheet 2 activated and A1, it is namaste in A1 sheet. So in this way you can activate and perform any action. Thank you.